Fish right in the middle of it. Oh man, yeah. Big old bass, Alfred. Look at that. We might have to weigh this guy. Hang on, Alfred, you got a nice one here. Give him here, Alfred. See if he's bigger than my brim that I got last time.
Yeah, similar size of the one pack.
Yeah. Let me see that bad boy. I got him. Mine was how much? Mine was 1.8. Oh no, 0.8. This one? Close, I got you. 0.77. Fatty.
Yeah, you're doing the van.
Story of my life.